Today we have the GALAX REV-01 mid-tower PC case. And I thought, instead of just showing you guys the case, let's put a system inside. So we've got a few spare parts around the studio here, so while I build a system inside, we're going to take a bit of a closer look. Being a mid-tower case, it stands at 416mm in height, 424mm in length, and 215mm in width. So it's got more than enough room for these parts here. I'm going to start with the motherboard first. So this is a mini ITX motherboard here. We've actually got support for a full-size ATX and micro ATX as well. Okay, we're just installing the radiator now. So we do actually have support for a 360mm at the front and a 120 at the back. But we've already got 4 pre-installed RGB fans which are included with the case. So we're going to leave those there. I'm going to put this 240mm here at the top. I'd like to also note that there is support for 2 120mm fans at the bottom on top of the PSU shroud as well for increased airflow. So we're just going to install the power supply now. So we've actually got support for a full-sized ATX PSU down the bottom, and that's exactly what we're going to use. So now it's time for every gamer's favorite part, and that's installing the graphics card. So we can actually have support for up to a graphics card of 340mm in length. We've got a cute little small one today, so no dramas fitting this one in. With the graphics card installed, that's our system built. Now, last thing for us to do is reattach the glass side panel. Now, something that I actually really like about this case is that the glass side panel has a magnetic latch on the front, which just lets us open it quite easy if you want to make some changes to the hardware or just for general cleaning. Now, let's turn it on. And there we go, all complete. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the GALAX REV-01 mid-tower PC case, then leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching.